Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be drawing Carver from the Weekenders. I don't know what else to say, so we're just going to start the video. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I know I just literally just covered her up. It's okay. It's all a nice little mosh pit going on. I've always wondered what happens if I end up getting a phone call in the middle of this.
Oh, that would be awkward. Hang up.
I wouldn't even answer. I'm out of time, huh? Alright, here we are. We have Carver, and I will say that he looks kind of like a tiki person. But anyways, peace, love, and hot sauce, and tomorrow we're going to finish off the Weekenders by drawing lore. So, you already know. Thanks for watching.